the topic. We are going to discuss on topic of
Yes.
women safety.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've been just going to ask you some questions on that.
Yeah, sure.
So are you able to
Yeah.
answer some
So
questions?
it's kind of a rapid fire round or something.
No, it's not like that. It's just
Okay.
general
Okay.
discussion we
Okay.
can say.
So
Okay.
let's go. Come on.
Okay, sure. So basically, first question I will ask you that why women feels unsafe while going out?
See, women feel unsafe while going out because there are many cases out there. We have seen a Uber cab case in Delhi. In Delhi, even children are harassed and molested by the people.
Okay.
So to avoid that, mostly women stay in house and be calm that at least I'm safe at home. Though there is some kind of domestic violence, but we can be still safe on that behalf, right?
Yeah. But I'm asking why they are not going out? Why they are having that डर उनके अंदर क्यों बैठा है?
Yeah, because of such cases going on, and we are seeing that there are not kind of improvement in the psychology. Patriarchal beliefs are not changing in India.
ओके और लेकिन आप जिस जनरेशन को अगर कंपेयर करें तो देर आर लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स मूविंग आउट बट दे आर नॉट हैविंग दैट व्हाट यू से खौफ नहीं है उनके
Yeah,
अंदर.
because we have to bust stereotypes. Of course, all people are not same thinking or same psychology.
Yeah, right.
Some are bold. Some can tackle anything in their life.
So you can say there must be some thinking power that
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can go out
Yeah,
and we can do anything. There is
and
nothing
in
to.
some Indian families, we see they're just trying to hold women and not grow.
Yeah.
Women are like free birds.
Yeah, I have a question for that
They
also.
shouldn't be in cage.
Okay. Right. So my second question is how molestation and rape can be controlled on prevent from happening.
See, molestation and rape are quite difficult to be controlled since it's kind of it can be actually controlled and prevented, but it should be that we should clean our psychology for that.
Okay, right. So here again one part will come that unsafe term will come
Yeah,
that feeling
yeah,
moving
yeah,
after
yeah,
8 p.m. in right night.
Because of such cases, in night women are actually afraid to go out.
Yeah, right. So
So-
that's basically.
Yeah, so unless these things are gone down, we cannot tell that women are safe.
Okay.
Although our cops are working hard to control it, but it will take time. It will
Okay.
take certain time and see a certain kind of knowledge which will be needed by people to give other people.
So how much time you will say?
You cannot define time.
Yeah. So
It's
so
kind
that's
of,
a problem.
yeah,
That's
it's kind of a
part.
complex things we have to control.
Okay. So how cops manage and gives safety to this women? How they are managing this all?
Cops are actually trying various methods. I've seen actually there are kind of CCTV installed.
Okay.
There are kind of app, a special line given to for women safety and children 103 and all.
Hmm.
So everyone is trying to cope up with these things and trying to be develop out of it.
Okay, but they are managing. But they are, is it reducing that thing? The things are
Of course,
reducing
see,
that, or it is
first
increasing
of
on?
all, if you impose something on any system or any administration do anything to impose on something
Right.
someone, it will not currently or definitely or instantly change the system.
Yeah,
It
right.
will take time. Everything's you see a seed.
Requires
it takes time
time,
to
yeah.
grow into a tree, and it has to able to see many seasons to come out of it.
Okay, fine. So, is banning adult movies and such things will impact this thing, or?
See, according to me, if government try to ban these things, if banning adult films, banning porn will reduce rape, so we should ban. But think like that. If people don't get things to see things, what they see on internet or something,
So they are
anywhere-
carrying out this in real
yeah,
life.
no,
right?
they are not carrying out. No one is carrying out. Even
Okay.
high class people watch porns and even low class people watch porn. The problem with the people is going on is that they think if we actually ban porn or adult content, it will give a doorway to start a new business.
Okay.
Since, as you remember, when porn was actually banned in India, people were started selling CDs illegally.
Okay.
So people get more corrupt because if someone, when you were a child, if someone tries to tell you don't do that, you will of course do that. Human
Okay, so
mind
my
is like
question
that.
is like if such things get banned, then
Okay.
it will reduce this thing. It will increase the women's safety toward the highest point.
It's quite exponentially related.
Okay.
If we
So it's somewhere related, you
Yeah.
can say.
But there are something that, like, Google has done a great job banning child porn, which actually helps to reduce child molestation.
Okay.
So there are something we should control.
So it
And-
is somewhere
yeah,
related, you
and
can
we
say.
have to clear the ideology, nothing else,
Yeah,
to
right.
protect women.
Okay. So, and what you will say about domestic violence the women are facing right now?
See, the one thing I would like to say is, in India, we pray Kali Mata, we pray Saraswati Mata,
Yeah, right.
we pray each and every goddess, but we don't pray the goddess which is in house directly, which is in front of us, is the woman which helps us, be with us. Domestic violence in India is quite common
Okay.
because people are not educated that way.
So
They
you
were
meant
not.
to say uneducated people
No,
are
no,
doing
no,
this
no,
such
no.
things?
It's completely not that way. People, those are educated, they also kill people for dowry and all.
Yeah, right.
The problem,
Is
educated
in
in
thinking.
good way.
Is in thinking.
Educated is not always you read books, you write something, you write paper, you get a PhD from a college. It's not that way.
Okay.
The best thing education is, which teaches to learn how to live, how to respect women.
Okay.
That is the most important thing you can learn from.
Okay. So our police are doing sufficient work for that?
See, police is trying, police is always fighting against crime. Police is always trying to help, but somewhere system is corrupted. People are corrupted, people's mind is corrupted. So because of that, it never gonna happen if you do that.
Okay. So they are doing that work.
They are doing all their
They are
job.
doing
Yeah, they are
100%.
trying.
They are
Yeah,
giving 100%,
they're
right?
giving 100% because unless you change it, see, like Mahatma Gandhi said, if you want to see the change in the world, be the change. My point of the whole conversation is, if people try to change themselves, if people try to change themselves and change their mindset, why wouldn't we be developed and we grow out of this?
Yeah,
There's
right.
totally crap thing going on with us.
Okay. So we don't require cops and all that if we
Actually,
change our thinking, right?
If we change ourselves, we don't require anyone.
Anyone.
We just need no one to grow.
Okay. Right. So is women's safety is completely, you can say, possible, or it's like
Of course,
we can do it
as I,
till this much only?
as I mentioned before,
Yeah.
women's safety is quite possible if we change ourselves. We
Hmm.
men if we men try to be gentlemen, try to learn to respect women, and women, see, it's all not men game. Many men are not destroying women's life. There are many women which are throwing women into trafficking and all, many businesses. So somewhere men and women both are part of this. We
Right.
need to protect them.
We need to conclude this thing. So what you will say for conclusion?
Best conclusion I've given before. The conclusion we can draw from this topic, all this discussion and all, is that we, we pray goddess. Simple as that. We need to pray the woman, goddess, mother, sister, everyone in our society. We need to respect them and all. And every woman should respect other women also, because of that psychology destroys, and everyone is not respecting her. So respecting women is most important. Everyone should learn. Every boy should learn in school, class, everywhere that women is important. Women is an integral part of society. We need to respect women. So that is why the conclusion is, respect women. Women safety will automatically increase, upgrade, and our society will be developed and grow.
Okay. So thank you so much for your lovely, and I will make you
Thank
assure
you.
that we will do this
Yeah,
open
so
campaign on
okay.
this. Okay. Okay, so let's continue our documentary and have some feedbacks from others. Yeah. Excuse me, bro.
Yeah,
Myself, Sarvesh.
myself Shreyash.
Okay, so I need to talk to you about women's safety. Is it possible for you to take some time?
Yeah, okay.
Um, so nowadays, women's safety is an issue, social problem, you can say. Is it? So, what do you think about that?
See, according to me, as we know, like Mumbai cops, especially Mumbai cops, they are taking many more precautions.
Yeah.
Nowadays, they have started a special cab services which can let women go to their place at night, and it's a good empowerment system for the women. There should be many more systems which should be carried out. Sex education is the main thing which should the women get from her childhood, so that she can come to know like
Even males can get this
yeah,
sex
even they
education.
can do.
Okay.
See, basically, if it is started from home place or it is made by government separately, it's good. So if it's not so, then it's like it's going to be continued forever. As we have seen recently the Delhi scenes,
Yeah.
like as if 6 years go, 6 years to 5 years, child has been raped. Like it's so.
Yeah. Recently, now in Mumbai also one scene has, one case has gone, that done, that is 6 years
Child.
child has get
Yeah,
raped.
maybe. But still, for all this thing, we should prepare our woman or child. We should respect them, and we should overall make a new way
Okay.
to transform them.
Okay, so there is something related to thinking of man's
Yeah, it's like
men's
basically we have to change our mentality. It's
mentality.
like how
Yeah.
we make ourselves understand and motivate towards a girl child. As if the mentality has been like if it's girl, it's not of any use. It's just like we have to give a this
Yeah, points we have to carry out. We have
yeah.
to carry out that mentality.
Like first thing, like if it's girl, then we have to give a lot of money, like more during marriages. Like
So that is again a vast topic, but two things we have to carry out. First, the mentality. We have to change
yeah,
our mentality, and
mentality
second thing, we have to, according to you, we have to do.
about
The second point क्या था?
empowerment.
Okay, the second thing we have to do women empowerment, and we have to educate our childs from men's as well as males and females as well from childhood. Okay.